All right, I'm gonna do this quick and dirty. The reason I couldn't get this game to download to my external drive is because apparently you need as much storage space on your hard drive, so your C drive, as you would on your external drive, regardless if you're saving it externally, you still need the amount of space required to install the game from the Xbox app. It would not let me download it. So I had to take off a whole bunch of videos that I had stored on my computer and move them to the external drive so that I could have at least 123 gigabytes, the minimum required space to download this game, so that it would start downloading. And then only I was able to save it externally.